I'm going to discuss about the sequence. So the sequence has the two types, the arithmetic and the geometric. So the sequence, we have here the problem. So Janine arranged stamps in her album. She arranged 4 stamps in the first page. So the 4 stamps in the first page and 7 stamps in the second page and 10 stamps in the third page and so on. So the problem here, if her album has 10 pages, how many stamps are there on the last pages? So we have here the problem is that the 10 pages, kung pila mo ang stamp na dapat naa sa 10 page. So by using this table, we have here the number of the page 1 to 10, then the number of the stamps and the rule. So the rule is the 3, adding 3. So 4 plus 3 equals 7. So that's why in the second page na ay 7 stamp. Then 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 13 plus 3 equals 17. 17 plus 3 equals 20. 20 plus 3 equals 23. 23 plus 3 equals 27. And 27 plus 3 equals 30. And 30 plus 3 equals 30 plus 3 equals 33. So the answer is in the 10th term, we have the number of 33. The number of 33 stamps. So a sequence has a rule or formula in order to find the value of each term. So we know already from the previous example that the rule is adding 3 to get the nth term. So adding 3 to the first term to get the second term, and the second term is adding na po siya para makuha ang the third term. So next example is, so this example is geometric sequence. So we have here the 3, 6, 12. So what is the 8th term? So the problem here is the 8th term. So you'll notice that the preceding term is multiplied by 2 to get the next term. So we multiply lang siya by 2 para makuha ang second term. So 3 times 2 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. So para makuha na to ang 8th term, so magkuha na po tag-table na 1 to 8. So 3 times 2, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 24 times 2, 48. 48 times 2, 96. 96 times 2, 182. And 182 times 2 equals 384. So you have also the other way to plot the data on the table. So muna ang mga term, then the value of each term, then ilang common ratio, the 2, muna ilang common ratio, and then the formula. So based on the table, we can find the 8th term by working on the equation. So naabot tayo equation beside the table. So 3x and 3 times 2 to the raised to the power of 8 minus 1. So it becomes, i-copy lang siya, then it becomes 7 because 8 minus 1 to 7. Then copy 3x, it becomes 128 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Ang 2, i-times siya itself into 7 kabuok. So muna siyang 128. Ayun. 3 times 128 equals 384. So we can now generalize that the formula in finding the nth term is a geometric sequence. It's a n plus ar n minus 1. So where an is the, so the ang an daw is the nth term. So muna siya ang 8. Siya ang nth term sa sequence. So ang A is the first term. So ang ilang first term is 3. So muna siya 3. Ngayon, NR is the common ratio is the 2. Diba, copy na tayo ito 8 minus 1. Then copy na po balik. Ay, balik din po. Balik ha. 8 lang common ratio 8 minus 1. So, i-copy ang 8. And then, copy na po siya balik 3. Then, 7 siya ay minus 1. Then, copy na po ang 8. 128 siya kay ikuan man siya kani siya 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 o 128 siya then man i-times na po siya ang 3 times 128 equals 384 so siya lahi nga ka ng process. So, ano siya. The next example na pod is the 4, 7, 10. So, ang problem 3 is the 100, the value of the 100 term. So, muna ang term, the number of the term, 1 to 100, then lang value, and then lang difference, lang common difference, then ang formula. So, based on the table, we can find the 100 term by multiplying the term by the common difference. So, multiply na natin siya para makuha na to, and then adding 1. So, finding the n term will give us a formula 3n plus 1. So, the sequence 4, 7, 10 is an example of an arithmetic sequence. So, the difference between one term and the next term is constant. Then, on the arithmetic sequence, we can use the formula a n equals a 1 plus close parenthesis n minus 1 open parenthesis n minus 1 and close parenthesis then d, where a n is the nth term and a is the first term, n is the term position, and d is the common term. So, but we're in the an is the nth term. So, ang nth term niya ay diba, ang nth term niya kay 100. Ano siya, 100. an is 100. A1 is the first term. So, ang first term ay si 4. Ngayon, and the third position and the D is the common difference. Then copy ang 100, copy ang 4 plus 99